Ho, 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 la! Peperinos.
Hi.
Show off the goods.
What, you mean those antlers?
Welcome to another episode of the Disney Beeps. I'm Cherry.
And I'm Gooch.
And Josie's in there. Yeah.
Watching the Grinch.
Watching the Grinch. Yeah, we would have done this video a few days sooner. However, we have been a house of illness for the past 2 weeks, really.
We've had the stomach bug.
Well, 2 weeks ago, I had that awful crud. And, I mean, I was just coughing my head off. And then Friday, Josie got sick.
Sunday, I got sick.
And then Tuesday, I got sick.
Yeah,
so this is the first day in almost a week that we've all kind of felt like
human.
normal. Yeah. So, but the reason why we're coming tonight is we got a question. What's in the box?
Not just what's in the box. What's in the boxes?
So, of course, we have our friends from Mickey's Mystery Box, and we have some special Disney mail we're going to show off. So
we've broken the tape.
We have broken the tape.
We have not.
No.
Opened.
So full disclosure.
Which one are we doing first?
We're going to do this one. We're going to do Mickey's Mystery Box first.
Okay.
Full disclosure. We are not sponsored by Mickey's Mystery Box. We are not paid in any way. I purchased this with my own money. This is the regular sized Happily Ever After box. I was getting ready to say spoonful of sugar, but that's no longer offered. Our video is on their website.
That was done with our permission.
And they give us shout outs a lot on their Facebook page.
And there's a coupon code.
There is a coupon code for 10% off your first
box.
Your first monthly subscription box. It is The Beams 10. That's all one word. The Beams number 10. So THEBEAMS 10.
Yeah.
So
that's it.
So if you have ever wanted to unbox some magic like we do every month, give it a try and you can get 10% off that first box.
Yep.
But right now, let's
find out what's in the box.
Unbox the magic, baby. Oh, okay. Oh, I see something. Okay, so first thing we have, so we have Hollywood
Park
Studios,
map.
Galaxy's Edge.
Very nice.
Oh, here. Let's
As is tradition.
Let's do a little bit because it's probably not going to stay on very good this time.
As is tradition.
Yes, as is tradition.
The packing confetti.
So we got a patched.
Oh,
she's going to love it. So it's patched Ohana from Disney Parks. It's a patch. So you can put it on like
on a shirt, on a hat, on a bag,
jacket, like a denim jacket,
whatever.
So those of you who don't know, last year Josie was in a dance production of Lilo and Stitch, and their little thing was Ohana means family. So I think someone's been watching our videos.
I think so.
This is really cute.
Speaking of,
and it's got Stitch on the top here. What? Oh yeah.
The stylish koozie. Thank you, Casey's Crochet Corner.
Casey's Crochet Corner. Okay, so this retails for $9.99.
What?
I love it.
Very cool.
So we may have to I would have to find someone who knows how to do this because I'm not.
Well, maybe it's adhesive. Maybe it has
removable patches.
There you go.
Okay, so there you go. It looks like they also have P for Pirates of the Caribbean. A, It's a Small World. T, Peter Pan's Flight. C, Enchanted Tiki Room. H, Haunted Mansion. E, Space Mountain. D, Walt Disney Script.
So you can collect them all.
Yes. Not intended for direct skin contact.
No, it's supposed to go on fabric.
Yeah.
Because people would do.
But you have to tell people that, there's something else.
Look at that.
Yeah, someone's been watching our videos.
What Cherry likes.
So this summer we went to Disneyland. And I rode the original Haunted Mansion for the first time.
Which has the Hatbox Ghost.
Hatbox Ghost! It's a postcard with the Hatbox Ghost.
That is awesome.
And it's got the signature of the artist down here for Robinson, and it's got the bats up here. Oh my God!
I'm sorry, that's one we would have to send to ourselves.
Well, I'm not sending this anywhere.
I'm kidding.
I may have to put this in a frame or something.
Yeah.
But it retails for
$5.99.
It's from Wonderland Galleries. Original artwork, Hatbox Ghost montage by artist Bill Robinson.
Not Wonderland Gallery.
I mean Wonderground Gallery. Sorry for the blender there. But yeah, so, and it's got the mention of the original artist right here, if you can see that. But yeah, let's look at that bad boy. That is awesome.
It's pretty sweet.
I love the Hatbox Ghost.
Well, you love Haunted Mansion anyway.
Oh my gosh, what is this? Yeah, someone has been watching our videos.
Because they know about Rainbow Mickey.
They know about Rainbow Mickey. So when we were at Disneyland, Josie had to have.
Have we posted anything about Rainbow? We did it. We showed
pictures.
A haul video. Yeah.
We did a haul video and we posted pictures.
So Josie loves Rainbow Mickey.
Yes. So they sent her
Rainbow Mickey ears.
Oh my god.
That's pretty awesome.
That is amazing. Well, yes, you'll see. Oh my god, that is amazing. I don't know, that might actually fit me.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. I love it though. Oh my god.
It's got the heart.
These retail for $17.99.
Very cool.
I love it. Oh my god, that is so awesome. I think
Very cool.
Oh, there's something else in there.
There's more. But wait, there's more.
Okay, there is a bag for Disney Cruise Line in here. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here. So there's a Disney Cruise Line bag.
We gotta find out what's in the bag.
What's in the bag? Sounds jingly.
Sounds like pins maybe. Oh, look at that.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
What?
Oh, wait. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, here we go. Oh, it's tangled.
Well, we can untangle it.
We can get it untangled. Oh my god! So it's this beautiful. It's a
necklace, bangle, bracelet.
Oh my god! Okay, so it's Alice in Wonderland. It says, if you can see it, curious and curiouser. Oh
Wow.
my god!
So that's a bracelet.
This all retails for $29.99, by the way.
Here, let me see if I can.
Well, it's going to take a long time, but just show the little. So you have Alice right here. Oh my god, that is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god.
It really is. That could be for Cherry or Josie.
I think that's for me because it's really long.
Yeah, but look how small that is.
But it's a clasper.
Yeah, true.
See?
Yep. Hang on, you're pulling.
Sorry. Oh, it unclasped. Okay.
Yeah, good. That'll make it easier to.
Well, it's going to take a while. Let's not worry about that right now.
I've almost got it already.
He's good. I have a friend in Durham who's a jeweler who is incredible at like untangling jewelry. Hi, Catherine. Well, anyway.
We're just about there.
So I'm just going to go ahead and say before he gets that finished, another Amazeballs box. Look at that. Oh my god.
Look at that. That's gorgeous.
Look at that. It's got these little jewels right here. And then you got this. Oh, that is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, that's definitely something that you would want to wear at like 1900 Park Fair.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh yeah, absolutely. Oh, that's
great.
Okay. Above and beyond, as always, Mickey's
that's
mystery
amazing.
box. So let's review. We have the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge part map.
Which we will do.
Yes, we'll get to that. A patched Ohana.
Yep.
The Hatbox Ghost postcard.
The Rainbow Mickey ears.
And this amazing jewelry set of Alice in Wonderland. Only thing that make it more perfect is if the Cheshire Cat was on it, because I love me some Cheshire Cat.
Yeah, but even still, that's great.
This is amazing. Oh my god. I'm like in love. So, once again, another amazing box.
So you can wear that while I wear the pirate medallion we got last year.
That's true.
I
usually don't wear a lot of jewelry in the parks though, because I'm always scared I'm gonna lose it.
Right.
But we will see.
We will see.
We will see. So
we have some other mail.
So what's in the other box?
Let's see.
So let's see.
Let's turn it.
This says, I just did this part right here, but this is from Davenport, Florida. So we usually
What's in Davenport, Florida?
So we get mail from. What is it? Magic!
Look at that!
Yay! So And that's because we are how many days?
I think we're like 18 days.
18 days till Disneyland.
So,
Disney World, baby.
There's Gooch.
No.
No, that's Cherry. I'm sorry.
Cherry.
Gooch, Josie, and Grandma
Mona.
Look at that. That's amazing.
I can't wait. Oh my god, I can't wait. So hopefully we'll get to ride Rise of the Resistance while we're there.
We're hoping to.
Hoping to.
So there was another development that's happened since we last talked to you.
We have.
Josie.
Okay, so Josie had, we talked about this. She had her very first, well, it wasn't her very first convention, but it was her first convention. Like all-day convention, and then competed her solo. So she did amazing in all of her classes. And then she
got a medal for hip hop.
Well, get in there.
I know, but I'm excited.
You're trying to steal my thunder.
I'm excited.
So she competed her solo for the very first time. She did amazing. I cannot post the videos because she has not done regionals yet, so we need to wait.
We can't give away the secrets.
Not yet. But I did post some pictures on social media, so you can see those. But Josie, she did not place in the top 3 in her division. However, she was awarded a platinum, which is not easy to get.
Right, there's only one higher, which is diamond.
Diamond is the only one that's higher, so she placed within 90 to 94 points. So that's amazing for a 6-year-old.
And the one that won her division was also platinum.
Everyone was platinum.
They were all platinum, yeah.
But every single one of those girls were older than her. She was the only 6-year-old.
But they were all within 5 points.
They were all within 5 points. I mean, it was crazy. But we were so proud of her. She did so good, and then she got the medal for high class score for hip hop.
Now, who taught the hip hop class?
His name is Daniel Browning, and he runs.
What was he on?
He runs Dance to Inspire convention, which is like a hip hop convention. But he was on So You Think You Can Dance.
And who got to dance with him
by herself?
By herself.
Josie.
What? That's a pretty nice credential on the resume.
I posted a video on social media when I'm not getting copyright striked by Sony or whoever it is. Whatever.
Yeah.
But Josie did absolutely amazing. Her next convention and competition is in February, so we got a couple of months before that. So we're just so proud of her. We've been doing parent observation night in all of her classes, and she just looks so good. And I mean, we're just like, wow, that's our little girl.
Yeah,
when she was on stage, she just had this joyous, amazing look on her face.
The smile was me. Actually, the comments from all the judges was great energy. Love the smile. You're beaming.
Yes, I mean, it was just no pun intended. But it was just like, that's our little girl. She just did that. And she come off stage, she was so proud. She just said, "Mommy, I did it!" It was proud moment, proud mommy moment, proud daddy moment. Proud.
She did fantastic.
So wow. So there's also been another development.
Well,
in the bowling area,
some of you may have heard, or we actually talked about a little bit on the last video, that last month my tag team partner in the UBA. We're going for the UBA Southeast Tag Team Championship. And we do have a result.
Okay. Drum roll. What?
So
the champ is here!
This is the one half of the Southeast UBA Tag Team Championship title belts.
Can I be your valet?
Of course.
I'll interfere at every opportunity.
So,
not yet.
It's a pretty hefty belt.
It's really heavy.
It's pretty heavy.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
I like to do it and pose like Alexa Bliss.
She does. Josie wanted to wear it. We let her wear it when I came home with it. But this is what the title belt looks like. You can see the little things across.
Oh, you think Jericho let us into the inner circle?
Well, I mean, I'm a champ. I mean...
But are you le champion?
At least for now.
Are you le...
Because I have a title... We have a title defense this coming Sunday in Greensboro,
we should have celebrated with a little bit of the bubbly.
A little bit of the bubbly. But yeah, we have a title defense on Sunday in Greensboro. Mm-hmm. And hopefully we can hang on to it. because not only do I like to tote the belt around.
Not yet, Josie.
Not only do I like to tote the belt around, the couch that comes along with it isn't too bad either.
Right.
You know, as soon as we get that anyway.
That's right. So, Josie, please go back in there for a second.
She had
Really?
to get in there.
So, anyway.
We'll call you in a minute.
Yeah,
baby girl.
just please go in there for right now.
We'll call you in a minute.
Yeah. So, but yeah, that's quite a lot. That's quite a haul there.
I mean, so to give you some perspective.
I guess we should have brought Josie's. We should have brought Josie's trophy and her medal.
Oh,
I didn't even
yeah.
think about it.
But the I mean, to put it in perspective, there are, I think, like 40 or so teams in the Southeast region, and we're on top. Hopefully we can hang on to it.
Take
A lot of good teams out there.
Sip of a little bit of the bubbly.
Yeah. So,
A little bit of the water.
but I mean, you know, hopefully we can hang on to it. A lot of good teams out there. We'll see what happens.
That's awesome. Woo!
That's right.
Anyway, so yeah, this has been quite a month for us. We've been so busy.
It's been ups and downs.
Indeed.
Busy and sickness and still working. And
You know, I figured if nothing else, I can use this for brass nuts for our haters. For our hater.
yeah. Let's not even talk about that.
Deal with it. Anyway, but yeah, so that's it. If you're going to be at Disney World, December the 29th through January the 3rd, stop by.
If you happen to see us.
If you happen to see us, say
hi.
hi. You can reach me on Twitter if you want to, stop by and say hi. And
I'm on Twitter too.
Yep, he's on Twitter too. You are at Beamer73.
Yes.
And I'm at just TTLY, which is supposed to be totally, but TTLY Cherry. So
yeah, my handle is at Beamer73, but when I tweet out my name,
Gooch.
it's the Gooch. Yeah.
Yep. So anyway, I guess that's it. Josie, you want to come in? Can you what?
Can I see the stuff?
Yes.
Is that for me? Is that for me?
Yep. Look at that.
Goes with your Rainbow Mickey.
Yeah.
She loves it.
Hey Josie, you want to tell them how excited you were to get a platinum for your solo?
Awesome.
It was awesome.
Yes, you did so awesome.
You were.
I'm Rainbow Mickey, see? I'm Rainbow Mickey.
All right. Well, we're gonna sign off because it's been. Well, we'll show you. We'll show you after. Just you pretty much see it all right now. But
Yeah.
so we're we're gonna sign off. So, Josie, how do we sign
Love,
off? No, please don't do
Oh,
that.
do it right.
Please don't
Do it
hold my
right.
hand like that. Go.
love, peace, bug, and all that better fix it. I think I'm in my hair.
Bye, guys. Well,
Poopy real soon.
Really?
I said poopy real
Well, don't say
see
that.
you real soon.